Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today I will show you how to get the best unlinked codes in 2025. So let's get started. First open Google Chrome and search for best unlinked codes 2025. Then open the Firestick Tricks website. Now scroll through the page and you will find Code 1 comes with a PIN and gives you access to 43 plus apps. Code 2, no PIN required and includes 250 plus applications. Code 3, no PIN required with 80 plus apps ready to install. Code 4 requires a PIN and unlocks 54 plus applications. Code 5 comes with a PIN and gives you 75 plus apps. Code 6, no PIN needed. This one has a varied collection of apps. Code 7 requires a PIN and contains 42 plus applications. Code 8 includes a PIN and offers 8 apps. Code 9, no PIN required, unlocking 71 plus applications. Code 10, no PIN needed, featuring a curated utility collection of apps. And that is it. With these codes, you will have access to thousands of apps through Unlinked in 2025. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today, I'll show you do you need Prime to play Face It? So let's get started. Previously, Face It required a Prime account for matchmaking, but that rule no longer applies. Now, any CS2 account can join Face It, as long as you have at least 25 hours of playtime in the game. If you're new to CS2 or haven't logged many hours yet, you'll need to reach that milestone first. The fastest way is by playing modes like Casual, Deathmatch, Competitive, Premier, Workshop maps, or even Community servers. From my experience, playing about 15 to 25 competitive matches is usually enough to hit the 25-hour mark. So while Prime isn't required anymore, you still need to invest some time in CS2 before jumping into Face It, and you are done. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.